Hello everyone and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now this next video was filmed before Christmas, but I've only just got around to putting it up. But before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to Daniel Dubois from Turnage Dubois for sending me one of his stickers. Thank you very much, Didi. I will get it up behind me and I will pop your link in the description below. So right, let's get back to the project at hand. Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now, I've not been in the workshop much recently and I've definitely not been on the lathe for ages because of a new baby in the house. However, I've now got to crack on and make some Christmas presents. So, recently, just before the second lockdown, I purchased a couple of blanks. I've got sycamore and ash and a couple of pewter potpourri lids that will hopefully make some nice bowls from. It also gives me a chance to have a bit of a play with my new Robert Sorby Hollow Master. I've also been inspired by live demos by Wayne the Woodturner and SK Crafts in using the Jo Sonja's Iridescent paints. So I will be using them in this project as well. So hope you enjoy. Well, there you go, everyone. My first go at a hollow form and my first time using the Jo Sonja's Iridescent paints. Now, this was a sycamore blank that I used, and because of the shape I turned it, I didn't feel the technique I was going to use with the paints was going to give the right effect. So I decided to improvise and go a little bit slapdash with it. It did leave it a little heavy in parts, but so some of the white didn't completely disappear. And it did mean that a lot more lacquer was needed to give the desired finish. However, I like it and how it's turned out, and hopefully it will make a nice little present. So just need to add the final touch to it, and which is a pewter lid, and then get the potpourri and get it to my mother-in-law for a Christmas present. So hopefully it will make a nice little gift. I am still working on the ash blank as well, and again I'll be using the Jo Sonja's paints with a different technique on that, one that's actually been demonstrated by Wayne Clasper a lot on his lives. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell icon if you want to be notified when that video is released. Again, thank you for watching and see you next time.